Canada Day, 1st July. Canada Day celebrates the birthday of Canada. 153 years ago, on July 1, 1867, Canada becomes a new federation with its own constitution by signing the Constitution Act, formerly known as the British North America Act. Canada Day is a national statutory holiday celebrated in all provinces and territories, and it is a day off for most businesses. Under the Federal Holidays Act, Canada Day is observed on July 1, unless that date falls on a Sunday, in which case July 2 is the statutory holiday. Celebratory events will generally still take place on July 1, even though it is not the legal holiday. If it falls on a weekend, businesses normally closed that day usually dedicate the following Monday as a day off. On July 1, 1867, the nation was officially born when the Constitution Act joined 3 provinces into one country, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and the Canada province, which then split into Ontario and Quebec. However, Canada was not completely independent of England until 1982. The holiday called Dominion Day was officially established in 1879, but it wasn't observed by many Canadians who considered themselves to be British citizens. Dominion Day started to catch on when the 50th anniversary of the Confederation rolled around in 1917. In 1946, a bill was put forth to rename Dominion Day, but arguments in the House of Commons over what to call the holiday stalled the bill. The 100th anniversary of the nation's official creation in 1967 saw the growth of the spirit of Canadian patriotism, and Dominion Day celebrations really began to take off. Although quite a few Canadians already called the holiday Canada Day, the new name wasn't formally adopted until October of 1982. Celebration. Most communities across the country will host organized celebrations for Canada Day, typically outdoor public events such as parades, carnivals, festivals, barbecues, air and maritime shows, fireworks, and free musical concerts, as well as citizenship ceremonies. There doesn't seem to be a central recipe for how to celebrate it. Chalk it up to the nature of the Federation. However, the locus of the celebrations is the national capital, Ottawa, Ontario, where large concerts and cultural displays are held on Parliament Hill in an event largely referred to as the Noon Show. Typically, with the Governor General and Prime Minister officiates, though the monarch and another member of the royal family may also attend or take the Governor General's place. Smaller events are mounted in other parks around the city and in neighboring Gatineau, Quebec.